This ProTec RF-9999 faucet water filter 6-pack delivers consistently clean, fresh-tasting tap water by combining mineral-based filtration with a premium carbon core. Each cartridge is certified to cut down a wide range of chemical and physical contaminants, including lead and chlorine, while still preserving beneficial fluoride in the water. The filters are designed specifically for per-style faucet mount systems, so they fit securely and avoid the performance compromises that often come with generic replacements. Installation is straightforward, with a simple twist-off and twist-on process that lets you swap filters in a minute without tools or plumbing experience. A single cartridge is rated for up to 100 gallons or roughly 3 months of typical household use, making this 6-pack a practical, long-term supply for everyday filtering. For households that rely on their faucet filter daily, this set offers a reliable way to maintain high-quality filtration and crisp taste without constantly reordering replacements.